Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add money to your Revolut account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Revolut, and when you're going to be here, you just want to simply click here, add money under euro, or like whatever exchange you have. So you can add a new account if you want to, or like add money right here. And when you're going to do it, you can simply click like add money, 10 euro, add money. And now you just add your card number here and you just add money to your Revolut account. And this is pretty much how to do it. We can also do exchange to credit card or something else. So you can add a salary, regular bank transfer. This is like also another way how you can do it. Or you can like with the Swift or local. Like these are the ways how you can do, right? Or add a salary. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.